This is the Polini speed clutch with clamshell 2 shoes. They also make another one with 3 shoes. I think it's called a Delta, I'm not sure. Anyway, I wanted to explain a little bit about this before I put it on. I've had this for 2 years, haven't used it. It cost me about $140. It comes with directions, of course, and I want to really thank Polini for having these great directions right here. You can see they're French or Canadian or the fuck knows what it is. Maybe it's from Oregon. Here's more of it. They're great directions. They're beautiful, except I don't have a damn 19-year-old Swedish bikini team translator to help me with this. You can see it's Italiano, and it's in English. So anyway, this clutch is supposed to, you're supposed to be able to adjust the pressure on these springs here and here in order to, and do it on the fly, I think, while the clutch is on, everything's connected, and you can just use a wrench on the outside here. I think the more that you torque on the clutch, on these spring nuts right here and here, you'll get more of a stall, which I don't know. And then here's the Speed Clutch 3D. I would suggest to anyone that if you're thinking about buying a Polini, I have 10, 12 different kind of clutches. This has got to be the most heavy-duty, well-built clutch that I've ever owned. I don't know if it'll work. I don't know if I can adjust it right. But it's got lots of meat on the pads. It's well built. It has great instructions if you're from France or Canada or Southern Oregon. Sucks if you're in English. Hell, I don't know what that says. Look at that. I don't know what that says. What's this? I don't know what that says. Is it Russian? Okay, I don't know. But I'm going to go out on my bike and we're going to put this on. I'll have to rebuild the clutch with a new center spring right here. Nice day out, about 6 o'clock at night, about 70 degrees. I've cleaned up everything. I've got me a new little air filter. I have a new clutch spring. This is a heavy-duty Kevlar belt. And I have Dr. Pulley weights. I gotta figure out how to put those in. Variator. Sometimes I think it's like this. You're supposed to put the round part in the round part in. Anyway, I've got to build a clutch, and then the next thing I did was I went and checked these 3 bolts here, here, and here, which hold the case together. And you have to remember that they cannot leak. The case cannot leak. From here all the way into the intake, all the way out to the exhaust, you can have no leaks. What your best deal is if you start this bike up, it should idle at about 150 degrees right here between 1 and 2 all day long and not quit. So I'm gonna get this rebuilt and see what's gonna happen.